Hey everybody, John Steyer Flooring. I want to share this little tip, an easy way to get your proper gully space with Tackstrip installation, especially for some of you younger installers just getting after it. An easy way to do this. A lot of us have been told, put a finger back there, a finger beyond that, but really you want your gully 3/8 of an inch or minus. Most of us probably have 1/2 inch or bigger fingers, so what I like to do is just use 1/4 inch plywood. Most of my carpets, even the thick pieces of carpet, even the one that I'm gonna install today, 1/4 inch is a perfect size gully. Easy little shim like this to make. You can put in your tool bag, easy to have around. You don't have to worry about sticking fingers back there now and poking them. Pull your shim, and you just move it on down. Same thing here.